Just about got the front all stripped down here, and then give it a nice bath of degreaser and pressure wash. Rip the rest of them few things off the firewall there and get it scrubbed up. Eric's got about 90% of our floor cut out here. Lots of spot welds. We'll get the front hammered out here. Another week, floor should be in. We'll get the quarters on, wheel wells, wheel housings. And we were not able to save the tail panel. Next week we're supposed to have some nice weather. We'll get some pressure washing, degreasing, and get the firewall all blasted out and get it covered in some Pour 15. Throw on some new billet body mounts. That time the floor should be in. The car's been moving along nice though. We've only had it for 2 weeks, just a little over 2 weeks. Real close to dropping in our floor pan here. We just got to make a little patch right here on our toe board, this rusted out section. We're just going to make our own. Cut a few inches back. Eric went to town to grab a bead roller so we can patch this rectangle right here, and then we'll roll a bead in there for the strength, add some structure to it. So it'll look like this side here. Perfect. Nice. Here's our inner wheelhouse patch we made. Go ahead and throw her in there. Here's the other side we made.